Hello, I'm Ika from Downey Nissan, and I'll be showing you how to replace your flat tire on your vehicle, whether you're on the road or in your driveway. These steps will ensure that you're replacing your vehicle nice and safely, and as well get back on the road as soon as possible. Let's get started. Before we begin, safety first is your number one priority. First, turn on your hazard lights and pull on over to the side of the road. Once you pull yourself onto the side of the road, make sure you're in a safe area and then put the vehicle in park and step or pull on the handbrake. Now we can get into changing the tire. Make sure to get the equipment out of the vehicle, starting off with the easiest to reach area, which is going to be your owner's manual. Your owner's manual will be found in the glove box department in front of your passenger seat. Once you grab your owner's manual, you're going to open up the trunk and then grab your tools, which will be your jack, the tool to raise the jack, and lastly, your lug wrench, which will help you remove the lugs. And of course, you can't forget your spare tire. First, we're going to want to put the jack underneath the vehicle. You're going to want to find the lifting point of the vehicle. This will be found in your service manual, as you can see right here. This will ensure that your vehicle is nice and safe and won't cause any damage to any of the components, such as the body. So these components fit in together. You can see right here, this hooks in here, and this goes right here. And then we can start rotating it. Maybe a little bit clunky, but once you get it into a secure area, it will stay still. Don't raise it too much. Just make sure not to lift the vehicle up completely, just so the tire's still on the ground so we can continue our next step. Next, we're going to loosen up the lugs. See, it fits in perfectly. You may use your foot to help loosen the lugs, as so. Remember, don't loosen up the lugs completely or take them off. It can cause instability and damage the vehicle. If you have any wheel locks, you may find the wheel locks in the glove box compartment as well. Now that we've loosened up the lugs, we may lift up the vehicle until the tire is off the ground. Remember, don't put any part of your body underneath the vehicle or else it'll cause serious harm. Once the vehicle is off the ground, we may remove the lugs and take them off completely. Once you remove the lugs, you can take off the tire off the vehicle. When you remove the tire off the vehicle, you can place it underneath the vehicle just so in case the jack fails, it does not cause damage to any of your front components. Once you've done that, you may place your spare tire on the vehicle. Make sure to line them up with the studs. Once you've done that, you can put the lugs on the tire. Make sure you put them on by hand and put them on in a crisscross or star pattern, just so that the tire sits evenly on the vehicle. And then what we can do, once this is on, we may remove the tire from underneath the vehicle and slowly lower the jack. Let's do that right now. Make sure that the tire is just touching the ground, not all the way down, so we can tighten up with the lug wrench. Remember to tighten it in a star or cross pattern, just so it can sit evenly. This will take multiple turns. Once that's done, we may lower the car completely down. Once the vehicle's down completely, go ahead and tighten them up once more. You may also use your foot for this process as well, just to give it a nice firm tighten. Just so the tire does not come off the vehicle. Once you're done with that, make sure to clean up the area, don't leave anything behind, and you may put your tire in the trunk, or if you don't have space in the trunk, you may put it in your passenger seat in the rear. Now you have changed your tire. Remember, spare tires are temporary. Please avoid highway speeds and make sure you replace your tire as soon as possible or repair them. If you don't feel comfortable changing your tire, please feel free to contact Roadside Assistance. They'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you need any assistance with your tires or oil changes, please come to the service department here at Downey Nissan. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much and have a safe drive.